Here we have a rock slider that got shipped across North America and got damaged. It was brought back to us, so I thought this would be a good one to make a video on how to fix the bed liner if that ever happens to you. Here we have a little bit of, you can see it's not sticking to the steel, so I'm not gonna pry it off too hard, but just checking. And on that side, it's pretty good, so I'm not gonna do anything about it. So I'm gonna put some adhesive underneath, but first, I'm gonna tape this area. Okay, so now I'm lifting this area and I'm gonna try to squeeze some of that polyurethane adhesive underneath. It's pretty thick stuff. Start with that. Now pushing some of that adhesive underneath our bed liner. And then I'm gonna put some more, just the right amount, and I'm gonna even it out with the razor blade. Now I'm using this product here. It's a high built sealant, or as you can see on the picture here, it's good for underbody. Good quality stuff from Earth. What matters the most to me is that's a tough, textured coating, and I'm going to use that to recreate the texture that we have on the rock slider. Okay, so now I apologize. I thought I had pressed the record button, but basically what I did is I took the scan, tested how much texture I'm getting just to get familiar with this product. And then what I did is from a distance, roughly a foot, maybe a little bit more, sprayed some texture just to make sure it's kind of matched in what we have here. And it's looking pretty good so far. So let's just take the masking tape and paper towel off and see how it looks. Doesn't look too bad. I think I'm gonna touch it a little bit and seam. Tell on the picture on the video here, kind of got that pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. With the same can of textured finish, I'm gonna stand back a bit and just spray in this whole area until we have a similar texture. As you can see, it's almost disappeared. It's kind of hard to tell where the repair is, somewhere around here, but it's looking good. Very last step. Now I have a can of semi-gloss paint here in black, obviously, and I'm gonna blend the whole area. So see, I'm like foot and a half away from the rock slider, and I'm gonna just be painting with little droplets the entire area up until it's almost gone. Yeah, I think overall it's pretty good. So semi-gloss paint for the finish in this whole area, and it just blends the repair, so it doesn't look like just the one spot has been touched up, but the whole thing looks similar. And now I'm gonna let this dry for about 8 hours and we should be good. So the repair was right here.